Hey everybody, Red Diamond Loyal back again with another video. Today we're reacting to another SoulSnack video. Policeman pulls over kids driving toy car. This video was once again requested, guys. Let's get into it.
Kids, please, can you stop running around?
But we're bored. Don't you have any toys we could play with? Oh my god, is this for me? No, it's mine.
Actually, it's for both of you. You guys are going to have to share. And remember, stay in the parking lot.
Where are you going? Dad said to stay inside the parking lot.
Look at these kids. Unbelievable.
Uh-oh. What happened? There's a policeman behind us.
Kids, pull that vehicle over now. Get out of the car.
Wow.
Kids, please, can you stop running around? Can you pull out your coloring books or something? I'm trying to get some work done, and to be honest, you're being very distracting.
Sorry, Daddy. We just want to play. Can we go already?
Baby, I got a lot of work to do, but I promise you, when I'm done, I will take you to your cousin's house to play, okay?
But we're bored. Don't you
Aww.
have any toys we could play with?
I know when I was a kid, I hated being bored. Like, I was too ready to go. Like, when I was either tired of playing or didn't have nothing to play with, I hated being bored.
Well, I was hoping that I could save this until Christmas, but because you guys were so good during school this year, and because I need my privacy, I got you something.
Give us what?
Come follow me. I have a surprise. All right, guys, look. I want you to stay right here and close your eyes for your surprise, okay? Close your eyes, both of you. Keep them closed. They're closed, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can open them.
Oh my god, is this for me? No, it's mine.
Actually, it's for both of you. You guys are going to have to share.
Okay, but I drive first. Can we go outside and play with it?
Well, yeah, you can go into the parking lot, but you have to stay out there where I can see you from the window.
Okay.
And remember, stay in the parking lot.
Wait, where are you going? Dad said to stay inside the parking lot.
Yeah, they're not even on in the parking lot. They're in the sidewalk.
Look at these kids.
That's Officer Jacobs. He's so bored that he want to mess with some little kids, bro.
Unbelievable.
He ain't got nothing better to do.
Uh-oh. What happened? There's a policeman behind us. Uh-oh. Quick, get in the parking lot.
Kids, pull that vehicle over now. Immediately pull the vehicle over. Let's go.
Now what do we do? It's okay. I'll do all the talking.
Come on, Officer Jacobs. Go find some real criminals to mess with.
Good morning.
Hello, officer.
Do you have any idea how fast you were going?
5, maybe 6 miles an hour?
You were going a lot faster.
5,
than
maybe 6 miles an hour.
No, 7.
that. Okay, would you have a permit to operate this vehicle?
What's that?
Permit's a piece of paper. It gives you permission to drive this thing on the streets.
Oh, no, I don't have a permit.
Where's your parents?
Can we go now?
No, you can't. Not till you answer all my questions.
No, they don't have to
I'm not
answer
answering
you.
anything.
That's the thing. Like he thinks them kids are dumb. He thinks they don't know that they're not allowed. They don't have to answer officers' questions because they're minors. Like, why are you questioning little kids?
Oh, you're gonna tell me everything. Are we clear?
Officer, just please let us go. I don't want my daddy to get you in trouble.
Young lady, the only people in trouble right now are you two. Let's go. Out of the car. Move.
All right now.
Miss Andrews,
All right.
great work as usual. Without you, we couldn't close this case. Yeah. Hey, but thanks again, brother. All right. I'll talk to you later. All right. What is going on down there? You gotta be kidding me.
Move. Get out of the car. Hands in front. What are you guys thinking? You two. Don't you try anything funny over there. Alright, move. Straight. Both of you. Let's go. Don't move. In the car, now.
Look how he's talking to him.
Hurry up.
In the car now.
Now you can stay there and be quiet.
Hey, hey!
Hey, Captain.
What on God's green earth is going on here?
I'm
Look,
detaining
and then
these
he
kids.
goes say, "Hey, Captain, like nothing's wrong. Like you're not even allowed to put little kids in the back of a police car."
They were driving that vehicle illegally without a permit or a license.
Have you lost your mind? Do you need me to help you find it?
Uh-oh, you're in trouble now, mister.
Sir, this vehicle needs to be impounded. These kids were driving around recklessly.
Jacob, these are my children, and I told them they can drive around this parking lot.
Look at
Those
him.
kids.
Oh, those are your kids.
Well, they were still driving in the street. That's illegal.
That's not true. I was driving in the sidewalk.
Jacob, even if they were driving in the street, you thought that the best course of action was to arrest them and put them in the back of a police car? What were you going to do next?
Right.
You mean after?
Because you can't
this?
take them to the police department.
I guess I hadn't really thought about that.
Basically, you would have been kidnapping kids.
Get my children out of this car.
Yes, sir. Hey, kids! Come on out. So,
Now he's
cool?
trying to act all
Good?
cool.
Here, let me help you with that. There you go, buddy. My man.
My man, nothing.
Thank you, Daddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry too, Daddy.
Look, the next time I tell you guys to do something, you do it, okay?
I will. I promise. What about him?
Oh, Officer Jacobs there?
Right.
He's
What you
gonna
gonna do with
learn a lesson
him?
that he's soon not gonna forget, okay? Jacobs, come here.
Yeah. Look,
Look at him. There's no explanation for this, man. Like, there's no way you can explain this.
I don't really know what to say.
There's nothing
Sorry.
to say.
Sorry? Jacobs, this has to be one of the most mindless, irresponsible things that you've ever done. This definitely tops the list.
I mean, I was trying to uphold the law.
Uphold the... You know what? You're absolutely right. They were operating a motorized vehicle without a license or a permit. That vehicle needs to be impounded.
Yeah.
Daddy, no.
Son, don't worry about it. Officer Jacob, can you please do us the honor and drive that vehicle to the impound lot, and me and my children will hop in your car and follow you.
Excuse me?
Look, he ain't expect that.
Ooh. No, it's just...
It's just what?
No.
You treated them kids like it was okay for them to be arrested and stopped, you know. So now don't act like that. Oh, it's so weird. You want me to drive a toy car that's not really a car, you know?
Come on, kids. we're going to hop in off Jacob's vehicle and we're going to follow him to the impound lot.
Captain, please.
Please, none. Don't beg
Come
now.
on. It's only 2 blocks away.
Turn on.
And that Jeep drives slow, too.
Captain, this is humiliating.
So?
Look, take your medicine. Come on, let's go. We're right
Take
behind
your
you.
medicine.
Chop, chop.
They ain't never gonna get there with how slow that thing going. Wow. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more videos, and I'm out.